Today, I'm going to draw something blue. It rolls down the road, and it runs on electricity. Can you guess what it is? Of course you can. Another car for our car collection. The Mahindra EV electric vehicle. It's a blue one. We're looking at it from the front quarter, so we get to see the front and the side moving away from us. It's got a sloped back, so we get the perspective right, so the sloped back and the diminishing size of the car make it look pretty real. I'm going to do a good job on this one to add to my huge wall of car drawings. Here I go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.